Now, बिल्कुल डिपेंड करता है. The perseverance which was so marvelous during childhood has waned. Adolescence period में the perseverance that is finished. This obedience, for instance, during work, the adaptation that we saw during childhood has now diminished and changed because the adolescent presents himself as someone who does not want to obey. Now that's the nature. Adolescent's mind will not accept the adult. उसको कोई चीज अच्छी नहीं लगती जो adult कह रहा होता है. Now emerges something stronger, more interesting and more important than the detail of things that used to interest him. उसका अपना interest है. He wants something different, perhaps something bigger desire that is longing for a new life. वो अपनी नजर से new life को देखता है. But what is the new life? He does not know. Here nature helps him out. We must understand that this person who transitions to a new phase without understanding it is the newborn man. Undoubtedly, he is destined for a specific goal from where there is no escape. This man in the making does not know his own power and destiny, just as the newborn did not know the sensorial world in which he had to orient himself. Comparison you can see. So if the adolescent is preoccupied with all those confusing feelings, he cannot put himself to studies. Dry, forced and closed. Just as the body required for its growth, lots of space in the open air, so the intelligence needs big things. We the adult understand better than him, so we must help him to understand himself. So मैं earlier कह रहा था कि this is what Dr. Maria Montessori has tried to explain, that we have to understand the whole psychology and physiological need of the adolescent, and we must help him out. A stage comes when adolescent says in his own voice, in a roundabout way, "Now I am a man. I am born. मैं बड़ा हो चुका हूँ, मैं क्या कहते हैं आदमी बन गया हूँ." Since one continued to treat him as the child he formerly was, these will come a moment that he says, "No, enough. I have passed that stage. Don't boss me." And then you can see the strong rebellion begin. That is very natural, and you observe this in your lifetime. देखते हैं अपने बच्चों को, if you have. In the final stage, this young man and this young woman realize that it is not the only personality that has undergone a social strain, but also that life has this great goal to continue humankind, is not humankind into eternity, which manifests himself through feelings. During puberty, everything child has learned no longer interests him, and the difficult adaptation to social life changes his character completely. The child becomes agitated and sick. After he starts to feel a certain attraction for girls, he has not got a clue, and he feels worse and worse. At 18 years, this child dies. What was the cause? It's very informative and very useful for the students, especially who are doing the course. They're getting the whole information about the whole course. The ladies who wish to do the course, they can understand. अच्छा ये है, ये हमें करना होगा, ये है. उनके लिए जो है एक नई चीज जो है फिर दोबारा जो है उनके ज़हन में आ जाएगी. अच्छा जो ये हमने पढ़ा था, दिस इज दैट, और रिफ्रेश हो गया. So this is what the benefit of this course is, this workshop is. And the place again, phenomenal. We have chosen right from very first workshop. Fresh air is nature's need. सही हो और बेहतर तरीके से आप लोग जो है कंफर्टेबली उसको अंडरस्टैंड करें बड़े अच्छे माहौल में, इससे भी जो है वो वाकिफ रहेंगे। इनफैक्ट अगर हमें मौका मिले तो डेफिनेटली वी मस्ट गो थ्रू द इंटरनेट वीडियोस, इंटरनेशनल वीडियोस कि वहां पर हो क्या रहा है, हाउ व्हाट इज बीइंग डन, और फिर ये कि क्या क्या कुछ जो है डॉक्टर हमारे मंत्री ने लीव किया है। हम लोग यहाँ बैठकर जो है कोशिश करते हैं कि हमें सारा कुछ पता चल जाए, लेकिन फिर भी हम ये कहेंगे कि बहुत है पता करने के, बहुत है विच वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इट। और मेरी तो कोशिश हमेशा से ये रही है कि मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन जो है आप लोगों को कम से कम वक्त में दूं। एंड आई थिंक टू some extent I'm successful.
We do not have the video session today, but during that time you can ask any questions you want to ask. We will have a little question and answer session, and then after that you will get your result of last month's test. So anything you want to share, anything you want to ask? Lecture by Dr. Maria Montessori, and it was conveyed to us by Sir Shamim. What was it about? Yes. About this, from the stages of growth and development, it was about the second stage. And what is that stage called? Adolescence. You all can recall the time when you were in that stage and when your parents were objecting to so many things. So what were your feelings? So the same thing goes on from generation to generation, because human growth is the same. Child grows at a natural pace at all times in all countries, and we have to understand the nature of the child at every stage so we can help the child. It is not after 6 years that the childhood is over. It goes on till the age of 18. Child is growing physically and mentally, and when he becomes strong enough, then he becomes a complete person ready to deal with the challenges of the world, to deal in the real practical life. So this was a very important lecture, that first we keep the child as a baby and suddenly you expect the child to be perfect. So that is not the way. It has to be dealt with guidance, with understanding, and a lot of patience. So the child will be a properly developed, helpful child for the other people helpful and essential for the students, and we have our guest participants also. Anybody who wants to join can join. You can contact any campus, you can contact the head office for the details. It is open field for the teachers, for the guests, for the parents, for the school people. Anybody can come and join the workshop. 15 days workshop, timings will be from 9 to 1. In July, we have it every year in July. The next conference will be, we will announce that in the campus. Because the workshop will be at that time.
The next conference will be
right, and the date was 31st May. Airport branch, Azra Shah, 144, 148 badge number I'm calling. Just come in, and March 26th. Okay. Nadia Zahid, Nida Zahid, sorry. Third test, 32nd. Naima Kashif, 4th test 46. Good. Macmuna, 10th test 51. Good. Akshi, 11th test 45. Sana Zafar, 11th test 47. Sumaira Taj, 8th test 40. Humaira Taj, 8th test 47. Hira Asad, 8th test 45. Overall, the results is good. Clap for the airport branch. Now, the Bahadrabad branch, Samna, 8th test 53. Clap for her. Samna, Samna. Rabia, 8th test 53. Rabia. Okay. Ambreen, 8th test 50. Ambreen, 8th test 50. Good. Muniba, 8th test 50. Mariam, 11th test 44. Nasia, 2nd test 40. Good, nice. Clap for Badrabad branch. And now Gulistane Johar. Seema Noor, 6th test 41. Dr. Shafa, 7th test 48. Tayyaba, 6th test 48. Sidra, 10th test 51. Sidra. Sumaya, 7th test 43. Gul Bilal, 7th test 47. Salma Raza, 11th test 36. Jubilee Bano, 7th test 42. Aksa Jamil, 12th test 43. Nice. Johor branch. Gulshan, Sumaya, 8th test 47. Naila Farid, 8th test 43. Zubia, 4th test 31. Ishwar, 3rd test 42. Rais Begum, 8th test 40. Zafar Dar, 1st test but it is missed. Samina, 1st test 31. Shehla Raza, 7th test 55. Clap for Shehla Raza. Oh, congratulations. Anila, 4th test 50. Question branch, please. Good. Now, Nazma Bad. Uruj, 7th test 54. Uruj, can you please stand up? Is she here? Very right. Mahrukh, 2nd test 38. Aisha Yasin, 2nd test 32. Bushra, not Nazmabad, Nazmabad, Bushra, 57. Bushra, can you please stand up? Is she here? No? Okay. Aisha Ali missed. Nazmabad branch, is she here? No? Safula Khan, 10th test 27. Clap for Nazmabad branch. Clap for the Okay, now not Nazmabad. Irsa test 47. Good. Bushra Hanif, 12th test 49. Puratulen, 12th test 48. Maheen, 12th test 57. Clap for Maheen. Is she here? Stand up, please. Mevish, 12th test 58. Very good. Congratulations. Anahita.
Stand up, lady. 58.
Stand up, 58. This is what we told you. We keep telling you to please stand up. Sit down. Thank you. Anahita, 9th test 46. Sakina, 9th test 46. Clap for North Nazmabad branch. Zamzama, Amber Iqbal, 8th test 47. Nice. Nagina, second test 43. Marine, second test 42. Saba Ali, second test 43. Anam, thank you very much.
Come forward. Samna and Rabia.
How do you prepare for the test?
Please stand down there. Shaila Raza from Gulshan branch. Aruj, Nazmabad branch. She's there. Bushra, Nazmabad branch. Bushra. Is she absent? Hira, Nazmabad branch.
She's not here.
Maheen, North Nazmabad branch. Mahvish, North Nazmabad branch. Samya, 53, sorry, North Nazmabad branch. Are you please? Alright, these are the promising ladies. They must have worked very hard. We would like them to explain us that how they get these achievements. So, the first lady, you will come here.
I prepare my tests by doing group studies, being my friends, all my advanced course friends. Our teacher, Ma'am Meher, we all do group discussions and all, and by that we point out some important things and we prepare for them.
That's lovely.
And in class we do our preparation. Our ma'am, she is very cooperative. She always gives chance to prepare. She helps us.
That's lovely. That's great. And you are graduate?
Yes.
Good. That's lovely. Big hand.
So we learn through group studies.
And your teacher helps you out. And how much time you spend at home studying?
We start studying before test 15 days. 15 days.
Until here. Okay. That's good.
The key which I would say for myself is that is my determination. I know my caliber and I want to go up to the top. So my aim is to get 60 in all these 12 tests. So I read all the time. It's in the morning when I'm having my cup of tea, a page or paragraph, anything. So the key is just that, as I would feel for myself, is my determination that I cannot just fall down. I have to go up and up. And I just study randomly every time. As it's file time, I'm doing my file work. Okay, file work is done. Then just I go on reading, sleep time, anytime. So it helps me that once the thing is gone through my eyes, it's just like a scanner and I can remember. So that's it. And the main thing is my determination.
Very
She really helps me out because I'm doing my A-levels too with my diploma, and we do group studies as well. And I just get time when I just read when I get time.
How much time do you spend at home reading this advanced content?
I don't read daily, but like twice a week I read for my
At home?
yeah.
That's good. That's great.
I'm from North Nazimabad branch, and I did a group study with my friends, and as well as my Naza's lectures. I just really enjoyed and learned a lot. And group study makes me electrified to learn more and develop our learning skills. And most of the time daily I just used to read one paragraph or one line and just research up the meanings of the difficult words, and it's my passion. Thank you.
My name is Mavish Fatma and I am from North Nazimabad branch. I prepared my test with same group discussions with Ms. Mahi and Ms. Kuratul, and I give at least 30 minutes per day. Thank you.
I'm Sanya Sharik from North Nazimabad, Karachi. What I can say, I'm very much inspired by my ma'am, and I always tick mark most of the sentences which I couldn't understand because I don't have that background. So my ma'am always tell me in every way she could. So that's a big help for me. Ma'am Nazra Amri. So I'm very grateful for all the
One thing is determined that group discussion is